Guava are tropical trees originating in Central America. Their fruits are ovals in shape with light green or yellow skin and contain edible seeds. Guava leaves are used as an herbal tea, and the leaf extract as a supplement. Guava fruits are amazingly rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. This remarkable nutrient content gives them many health benefits. Here are the magical and incredible 9 health benefits of guava. If you eat guava a day for 30 days, here is what will happen to you. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button. Eye care. Vitamin A or retinol slow down the appearance of cataracts, macular degeneration, and prevent degradation of eyesight and night blindness. Diabetics cure. Rich in fiber and with a low glycemic index, guavas help to regulate the absorption of sugar by the body and can be consumed for prevention and cure of type 2 diabetes. For pregnant mothers, guavas contain folic acid or vitamin B9, which is recommended for pregnant women since it can help in developing the fetus nervous system and protect the newborn from neurological disorders. Immunity booster. Vitamin C provides a huge boost in antioxidants, which are the major lines of defense against the proliferation of free radicals in the body. Aids weight loss. Guava is very rich in vitamins, proteins, fiber, and minerals, and has no cholesterol and a very low number of digestible carbohydrates. Skin care. Vitamins, minerals, and nutrients in conjunction with guava's astringent property help keep your skin toned, hydrated, improve elasticity, removes blemishes, acne, dark spots, blackheads, wrinkles, and pimples. Combats hair loss. Rich in vitamin C, guava helps promote healthy hair growth. It also helps in combating hair loss problems. Cancer cure. Being rich in vitamin C and antioxidants like lycopene, eating guavas can protect your cells from damage and reduce the chances of prostate, breast, and oral cancers. Infection control. Guava relieves coughs and cold by reducing mucus, disinfecting the respiratory tract, throat, and lungs, and inhibiting microbial activities with its astringent properties. If you really enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like the video, comment on the video, share the video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.